Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Friday, October 8th. Okay, gonna do a little bit of a quicker video here this morning. So here we go. Everyone ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. We're talking all about nature. It's all about nature with the trees and the clouds and the flowers. Careful, tell me windows open up there. Yeah. But it's Halloween nature today. Halloween nature. Neat, right? Here it is. Let's start. Oh, a bit of a mark on that one. Oh, I don't think that's, okay, sorry, I think that's just on the printout. So here you have this is nature, right? You have trees, pumpkin, flower, clouds. It's nature. And number 2, we talk a little bit more about Halloween. This is how we're going to recognize Halloween, by seeing a really cool looking house and a moon. And number 3, tying it all in, it's Halloween nature. So we have our house and our moon, pumpkin, flower, and of course that tree. Morning, Hinoko. Okay, and then here, just the word spooky. Spooky comes up here, guys. Spooky, S-P-O-O-K-Y. And then next we have orange. Orange for pumpkin, orange. Very nice, you guys. And here we're tying all 3 words together. Spooky, orange, and spiky. Draw your lines to all the correct pictures. Okay, number 7, a little bit of a sentence build here. Where can you go if you want to see many Halloween objects? I can go up high or down low. Which one do you circle? Over here, what is spooky? A tree is spooky. What is spiky? A flower is spiky. Do you love Halloween? I love Halloween. Yes, I love Halloween. That's number 7. Let me just get to number 8 here. A little bit harder, obviously. This is a normal tree, Futsunoki. This is a spooky tree. So then draw your picture. And down here, when can you see a spooky tree? I can see a spooky tree during Halloween. I can turn this normal house into a haunted house. You have to de-scramble that word. Can you turn this house into a haunted house and then add your spooky trees and your spiky flowers over here? That's cute. Number 10, this would make an excellent flower during Halloween because it is spiky. And here you can just fill it in and color your flower, you guys. Okay, that one's done. Number 11, very difficult. The bat prefers to be here because it can see so many fun Halloween objects in nature. So where do you think the bat would prefer to be? And then circle all the things it can see. Be careful, it's tricky. And here, yes, announcing our next big, exciting project, you guys. Next year, we're going to make our very own pumpkin patch at HK Chiba. It means that we are going to plant pumpkin seeds around April or May, and then once a month we can go out there and give them some water, build up those pumpkins, and then when they become big enough, we can pick them and carve them into jack-o'-lanterns. Sorry, that was me. Okay, so that's what's coming up next year, you guys. That's right. We are going to make our very own pumpkin patch at HK Chiba. It's going to be just amazing. Another one of those big initiatives from our school to keep things going, keep things exciting. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, everybody. See you at school soon. And that's it. Yeah, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.